Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 PH Courier Dual Cab XLT, stock reference number 4214. This shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 11th month 2006. It has a 13V 4 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 13V 4 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the left hand guard flared type, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle's fitted with 15-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left chrome power door mirror. Both left-hand doors have some light wobbles throughout. Still may be usable. We have a pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Right rear, 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a aftermarket tip-top tabletops tray with rear ladder rack and sliding drawer. Also all bolts and lights and guards supplied with it. Tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear, 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has some light wobbles and a couple small dents. Right chrome power door mirror. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.